If you just heard about Exness and have no idea where to start, you are in the right place, guys. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through everything you scratch. Setting up your account, making your first deposit, and making your very first trade. All in one short video. So stick around because by the end of this, you'll be ready to go with Exness. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you why Exness is worth. Exness is globally regulated broker and trusted by millions of traders around the world. They are regulated in multiple jurisdictions, which means your money is in safe hands. What makes them stand out is a few things. They are a pioneer of unlimited leverage feature in this industry, which gives traders incredible flexibility. With this feature, you can trade with big lots even your capital is small. Their spread is some of the tightest in the industry, especially for pro accounts like Raw or Zero. And their withdrawal speed is genuinely impressive. We're talking instant to a few minutes in some cases. Those are some of reasons why so many beginners and professionals alike to choose Exness. Alright, let's get started, guys. You will start with clicking the link in the description of this video. It's completely free to sign up with Exness, guys. I'll also leave the link in the pinned comments so you will easily find it. Once you open the link, click register and you'll land on the Exness registration page. Enter your country of residence, then your email address, and create a strong password. Hit the register button just like that. Your Exness account is created. And then you will see this page. Click three lines on top left, click Exness products, and click personal area. After registration, Exness will ask you to verify your identity. You will see a message asking you to complete your profile. Click the complete profile, answer the questions, and make sure until you upload your national ID card, passport, or driver's license. Don't worry about this, it's completely normal and it's actually required by law for brokers that regulate it. Just take a clear photo or scan, upload it, and submit. In most cases, verification is approved within minutes, though sometimes it can take a few hours depending on your country. Once it's approved, you will get a notification and you're ready to go forward. Here's a lot of beginners get confused. Which account type should you pick? My recommendation is start with Send account. Here's why. A Send account is 100 smaller than a standard account. So if you deposit $10, your MT5 balance will be $1,000. That means you can practice position sizing and risk management the way real trading works without needing a lot of money upfront. And even though the amount is small, you'll feel the emotion because it's real money. You profit for real, you lose for real. That psychological experience is something demo account cannot give. On a demo, if you blow your account, just hit reset and it's mean nothing. On a Send account, every decision carries actual weight. And here is the other thing. Whatever profit you make is real and fully withdrawable. So you are not just practicing, you are potentially earning. Start with a Send, upgrade later. That's the move. Here's how you add a Send account. Please log into your Exness personal area and follow this link. From your personal area, click open account. Pick the standard Send. Click continue. Make sure you are in the real tab, not demo. You can create a nickname for your Send account like this. Make a password and click create account. And Send account opening is successful. The next step is depositing money to your account, so you can place your first trade. Still from Exness personal area. Tap deposit from the Send account you just opened. Exness supports a wide range of payment methods depending on your country, local bank transfers, e-wallets, and even crypto. Just pick a method you want. FYI, Exness minimum deposit is different for each country. But here in my country, the first deposit is $100 and the next deposit will be $10 using USDT and $50 using bank transfer. The next step is gonna be make your first trade on MT5. Download the MT5. Open the App Store on your iPhone or Play Store on your Android and search MetaTrader 5. Download and install it. It's free, guys. And this is how to connect your account to MT5. This is how it looks when you deposit on a Send account. The actual money I deposited here is just $10, but in the Send account will be converted to $1,000. This is because the Send account is 100 times smaller than standard. Transfer $10 and you act like managing $1,000. Very good for beginner training. Before connecting it, we need to see the account information. Tap More and account information. This is the account detail that we will use to connect to MT5. Now open up MT5 and tap Settings. Tap the new account and search Exness. Pick the Exness Technologies Ltd. Change the server to the same server as in account information. Copy and paste your account number as well. Fill the password you made when you open your Send account and tap Sign in. If all the data filled is correct, your account will be successfully connected to the MT5. A sign that your account is connected is you will see your account name like that. And finally, I will demonstrate to you how to make your first trade. Please follow this. To open a trade, you need to go to the Quotes menu and pick any pair you want to trade. Say I want to trade Euro USD here. Click it and then click Chart. Click the red blue button on top right. This is one click trade button. Here in the middle is for lot sizing. I will sell 0.10 lot. If it's your first time, you'll see this pop up. Just accept it, guys. And now I can just hit that sell button and a sell order opened. This is the first order that I just successfully made. If you guys need more specific materials about MT5, I will drop the video links down below. I recommend you to watch this video, especially if you are a beginner, so you can master it. And that's all, we're all set. Now you know how to register an account, verify your identity, make a deposit, connect to MT5, until make your very first trade. As a reminder, if you want to open your Exness account right now, the link is in the description, rebrand.ly/exnessgo, or you can find it in pinned comment. It's free, it only takes a few minutes, and it's the first step toward actually learning how to trade with real experience. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe me, guys. I'll be covering more trading contents regularly. Make sure you don't miss it. See you in the next one.